Today we are going to fill out the Google Cloud Study Jams submission form. So as you can see, this is a very detailed and structured form. As you can see, there are a lot of rules. You can read them in your free time. Moving forward, I'll just be quickly walking you through this. Firstly, you give your information. You can just enter your mail ID and make sure to enter your correct contact information. In case you make any mistakes in the form, we can contact you so that they can be corrected swiftly. All right, moving on. These are the terms and conditions which are given by the Google developer groups, and you have to read them and consent to them before you move on. Because if you do not agree to these terms and conditions, you cannot, uh, you're not eligible for this campaign, and you won't get accepted. So you have to accept. You may read the terms and conditions and accept it, and then move on. All right, over here you have to enter the correct details, your full name, have, it is important to have a working internet connection and a laptop with a Chrome browser so that you can easily do this campaign because it is mostly online. So now, once you have filled out your details, you now have to create a new Google Cloud Skills Boost account. Okay. So it is very important that let's say this website over here. This is the Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. Okay. Once you click, the website will open up and this is the platform. Now, what it means by a new Cloud Skills Boost account is that when you join over here, this should be your first time joining in with your Google account. That means that the account is new. If you're unsure whether you have logged in before, then you can just create a new Google account and join over here with that account. All right. So I have created my new Cloud Skills Boost account over here, as you can see. And moving on, you just have to verify that your account was made after September 20th. Okay. You just have to double check your mail that the one that you used is new. So in my case, I know that the account that I created is new. If you have any confusions at all, just create a new Google account and then make your Google Cloud Skills Boost account. So after I have created my profile over here, I just enter the mail which is corresponding to this. Okay. Now next. Okay. These are the last few steps which are very mandatory. They are very simple. We have to enter the unique profile ID which is public. So after you click on this on the top right corner, you will see an option for settings. Okay, go to settings. When you scroll down below, you will see public profile. You have to make your profile public so that the Google Cloud platform can track your progress, like how many labs you have completed or how far you have gotten. After you have updated, after you make your profile public, it is important to update the settings so that the changes are affected. And once you update the settings, this URL over here is created. Okay. So you just copy that link address, go over here, and you enter that address over here. Okay. And after that, you just have to acknowledge that the information you have provided is true and correct to the best of your knowledge. I acknowledge over here. And by signing up, you agree to complete the learning pathway on Google Cloud Skills Boost platform in the given deadline, which is 31st October. Okay, once you have done, these are the last few points which you must read. Okay, make sure to read these points and submit. There, you have successfully registered for the Google Cloud Study Jams 2025-26.